Сәлем достар, сәлем достар. Сіздермен бірге әрине Kaz Games каналы. Бұл біздің екінші эпизодымыз Minecraft Story Mod деген ойын. Саяхаттаймыз. Өздеріңіз алдыңғы видеоны тамашалаған болсаңыздар, біз осы жерден аяқтаған болатынбыз. Енді кеттік, жалғастырайық. Мына люкке кірейік.
That's everything.
Let's roll.
Yeah, dude. Roll.
Let's go. I heard a pretty juicy rumor about the building competition, but you guys have to promise not to say anything.
Okay.
Also, it's in 2 parts. Each part more exciting than the last.
Spit it out, Axel.
Part 1, the special guest at this year's Entercon is none other than Gabriel the Warrior him freaking self.
What's part 2?
Part 2, according to my sources, the winner of the building competition is gonna get to meet him. It doesn't mean anything if we lose, but if we win, oh man, this would make up for all the losing.
Meeting Gabriel would be a dream and an honor.
Totally. He's awesome. It'd be amazing to meet him.
Ruben better be careful in that costume. The last time Gabriel saw a dragon, it didn't end well.
So, does this source of yours make posters for a living?
Huh? Yeah, my source doesn't exist. You guys are my only friends.
Guys, let's stay focused. We have a competition to win.
We never win. And this year we've got Ruben with us. We basically have no chance.
We're going to win because...
What are you talking about?
Because up to now, we hated losing. But today, my friends, we're gonna start learning how to love winning. That didn't sound as good as it did in my head.
No, I'm with that.
All right.
Wait a minute. We're thinking about this all wrong. The point of the building competition isn't just to build something. We have to do something to get noticed by the judges.
Okay then. So how do we do this?
We don't just build something functional. We build something fun. After we finish the fireworks machine like we planned, then we build something cool on top of it.
We might be onto something.
If we want to get a reaction out of the judges, you build something scary. So I say we build a creeper.
Wouldn't an Enderman be better? I'm more scared of Endermen than creepers.
They both have their moments. Both pretty scary.
Then again, you scared the crap out of us with a creeper today.
All right, let's build the creeper.
You're going with Axel's idea?
What's wrong with my idea?
Nothing. It could be totally cool.
It is cool.
Yeah. I think this is the first time we've decided on something before getting to the competition. Think we've got everything we need?
It wouldn't hurt to grab a little more.
Let's get to grabbing then.
We're so prepared. We can't lose. Cannot. Bring it in. Dare to prepare on 3. No. Preparing is daring. No, that's the same thing. Forget it. Team on 3. 1, 2, 3. Team!
Prepare.
Графикасы да, сюжеттері де өте керемет. Біз криперді соғайын деп жатыр. Бұл құрылыс алаңында жеңуіміз керек. Біз дайындалып жатырмыз. Өте қатты. Міне өзіңіз байқап отырғандарыңыздай. Әрине күшті болуымыз керек. Biz әрине жеңеміз. Өте керемет, шынымды айтсам, сөзбен айтып жеткізе алмаймыз. Өздеріңіз ойнаңыздар, тамашалаңыздар.
We know what we're building, we've got all the stuff for it, we are so ready.
This year, it's going to be different. I'm not just ready to build. I'm ready to win.
Nice pig, losers.
Oh, great. There's Lucas and the Ocelots. The rivalry
Біздің
continues.
қарсыластарымыз.
Man, they've got matching leather jackets and everything.
So cool.
Well, well, well. If it isn't the order of the losers.
Great. The fail squad's here.
Lucas, get a load of these losers.
Let's go, guys.
Name, please?
Axel, and how do you do?
No, your team name.
Team name? We are not ready for this.
So much for losing anonymously.
We're the Dead Enders.
Whoa, sounds like a name for pirates.
It's cool.
Okay, Dead Enders. You guys are in booth 5.
Ya, biz artık керемет тыңдаған сияқтымыз. Біздің үлкен досымыз. Иә. Міне осы жерден біз видеомызды тамамдаймыз деп ойлаймын, өйткені өте көп сюжет болып кетті, уақытқа да байланысты. Енді осы жерден біз келесі видеомызды жалғастырамыз. Сол үшін көріңіздер, каналға тіркеліңіздер. Өте қызықты ойындарды ойнаймыз. Алда әлі талай қызықтар болады. Келесі кездескенше сау, саламатта болыңыздар.